Welcome back to today's class. Let's proceed with the fifth example in the study of variable separation method. I have this particular problem here. What do you do first? It's easy. You said bring the x and the term having the x to the right hand side. Bring the y and the term having the y to the left hand side. So it means that from here, I can say possibly that this dy gives you dy over this one comes down here. That gives you 1 plus y squared equals this one, replace it here. That's the x. All over there, 1 plus x squared. I have bring them together. I have collected like terms. I have bring the y and the term having the y to the left hand side. I've also bring the term having x and the x to the what? Right hand side of the equation. Next task is to integrate through. Integrating through. That gives you the integral of dy over 1 plus y squared equals the integral of the x over 1 plus x squared. All right, I have this one here. So we are here. Next task said always shift out the y and shift out the x. That gives you the integral of 1 over 1 plus y squared, or for I have dy equals the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared. I have the x here. All right, I have the x here. How do you integrate this, please? How do you integrate this? All right, this one here will take us back to differentiation. This man here will take us back to what? Differentiation. Under inverse trig function of differentiation. Please recall that when it comes to differentiation for inverse trig function, we said given that y is equal to sine inverse of x, we said dy over the x will be equal to 1 all over root 1 minus x squared. Also, given that y is equal to cos inverse of x, we said the y over the x is equal to what there? Minus 1 all over what there? Root 1 minus x squared. Finally, if I have that y equal to tan inverse of x, we said the y over the x will be equal to what? 1 over 1 plus x squared. So here's the idea. If I differentiate this, I'll have this. It means if I integrate this one here, I'll have this. We said integration is the reverse of what? Differentiation. If I differentiate this one here, I'll have this. If I integrate this, I'll have this. So observe that 1 over 1 plus x squared is similar to this. But this one is in form of y. So it means if I integrate this one here, I'll go back to this. So if I integrate this one here, I'll have what? Tan inverse of what? This one is in form of y. Like tan inverse of y is equal to what? This one gives you tan inverse of what? Of x. Of course, plus what there? Plus c. Please, this is called the inverse string function of differentiation. So note this scope. We have done this last class in our previous class of differentiation. Check out my playlist, my channel. You see differentiation there. I've discussed this one so far. All right. Now here's the idea, please. I want to make y stand alone. Now let me show you something. Tan inverse of y means this. Look up. If I want to make y stand alone, what will I do in this case? Please think. I want to make this y stand alone. What will I multiply through by? With what? What will I do here? Please think. I'm waiting for you guys, please. What will I do here, please? Who can tell me? What will I do here? Hmm? What will I do here? Now listen, look up. Look up. If I have tan inverse of y, it means 1 over tan into y. That's mean of tan inverse of y equals, this one means 1 over tan into x, of course, plus c. I want to make this y stand alone. It's easy as multiply both sides by tan alone. If I have tan, observe, tan multiplied by 1 over tan into y, observe, equals, multiply that same tan here again, tan again, multiplied by this one here, 1 over tan of x plus c. What do you observe? This one will cancel this. I cannot have y standing alone. That's it. So y will not stand alone as being able to what this one's here. So it's more like saying multiply through by tan, multiply by tan, that gives you tan into tan inverse of y is equal to tan into tan inverse of x plus c. From here, tan will cancel tan inverse as explained here. So I'll have y alone. So y will not stand alone. Y now is equal to tan into tan inverse of x plus c. This is my answer to this particular question. I just explained how this works here. Please observe the solution process. I explained it this way. If I've given you like this, some people will be confused. So I have to show you the full detail on how I got to y to be equal to tan into tan inverse of x plus c. Some person will ask me, sir, we're not done now. You can still multiply tan with this one. So you can use tan to open the bracket. Here is the concept to note, please. If I have 3 into a plus b, this is expandable. This gives you 3a plus 3b. But you can't just multiply trig function or trig. So if I have sine into a plus b, this one here is not sine a plus sine b. No, this is wrong. This is a trig function. Go and check. This is trig identity. This one is sine a plus b means sine a cos b positives sine b cos a. Go and check your book. This is like, if you go and check trig, I've done video on trig, like trig going from scratch. I've done it already. Go and check. I gave you this concept, sine of a plus b. This is the expression. So you can't just multiply trig functions like that. No, it can't work. So this is my answer. Stop it here, please. So this one becomes your answer to this particular question. Let's proceed with example 6 under the study of variable separation method.
Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Welcome, guys. This is my website, www.ghanawork.com. So, in my website, there you can have access to my courses, right? So, this is my website. So, go to courses. As you can see, courses there to take you to my courses. So, these are my courses I have here. So, I have organic chemistry for beginners. I have YX/JAM classes for YX and JAM students, right? I also have what's it called there? I have physics explained for beginners, right? I have physics tutorial for beginners. So this is physics tutorial for beginners here. So you can get any of this course. So I'm going to be giving 50% discount for these courses. So if you're interested, go to my website and get the course. Get these courses. Very, very important. Alright, guys. Also, if you want to check my book, the book part, go to my books. So move to books. Under the books, you can see academic books. So I have a book. I launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. The book is just around 2,000 naira. You can see. You can click on Add Chat and then you get the book. I share a lot of experience in this book. All right. This is basically what I have for now on my website. Next in our next month, I'll be launching how to open a successful YouTube channel. I'll open a course on that, how to launch your channel and how to start a YouTube channel. I also create a course on how to use AI to generate videos, to create videos. Right, these are the courses I'm still going to work on as we proceed. All right, see you guys on the website. This is www.ghanawork.com, right? Or perhaps I'll leave the link